Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cut out an image in Photoshop. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up Photoshop and open up the image of which you want to make cutout. So if you are using the latest version of Photoshop, then it is very easy to cut out an image. And if you are using the older version, it's also not so difficult, but I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. So assume that you are using the latest variant like 2023 or 2024, then you guys can simply open up the image and you guys will be able to see these two options: select subject and remove background. If you want to select the background by refine it, then you guys have to just simply click on select subject. So after clicking on that, here you guys can see it will make a border around your object. Here you guys have to simply click on select and mask in order to make smooth edges. So in here you guys have some sliders you guys can adjust according to your need. Here in the transparency center, here you guys can simply check the transparency of your image, and in this way you guys can easily get the idea of your cutout. And here you guys have lots of more sliders in order to adjust your cutting of your subject. So after adjusting all of these, you guys have to simply hit the OK. So after hitting the OK button, so it will make a cut around you. Now you guys have simply right click on it, and you guys can simply make a layer via copy or layer via cut, or you guys can simply use the keyboard shortcut Control C or Command C or Control V or Command V to paste. In this way you guys can make a cutout of an image. And the second method is, if you want to remove the background, you guys have to simply click on remove background, so it will automatically cut out you from your background. If you are using the older version of Photoshop, then don't worry about it. Here you go, you guys will be able to see lots of tools. So you guys have to simply, I would suggest you to simply select the object selection tool, which should be here. You guys have to simply right click on it, and here you guys have to just simply select the quick selection tool, and here you guys have to just apply the brush to your object, and it will automatically make a smooth selection. So after selecting the whole subject, you guys can simply just tap on Control C, or you guys can tap on delete to delete the subject, and you guys can simply Control C or Control V to copy or paste the object and make a cutout of an image. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.